Greetings coding Vijay Krishna here from KREDICT and welcome to the 38th episode of our magical JavaScript series. Today we are diving into the captivating world of browser events. These enchanting events empower us to interact with our web creation. So grab your coding events, let the magic unfold and let's explore browser event part 1. Discovering the magic of events. In our coding journey, events are the spark that bring our web pages to life. Whether it's a click, hover, or key press, each event opens a portal to a world of endless possibilities. Join me as we discover the magic of browser event and witness their power firsthand. So here we have this example. For this example, I want to make a HTML file. So in the HTML file, I will in the title browser event part 1. Here we have this button and a script. I just copy this and paste here. So here we have this button. I want to give some style to it. Like height 100 pixel, width 200 pixel, and a background color which is aqua. So here we have this script const. We are getting this magic event with using get element by id, and on this we are using this add event listener click. So whenever the click will perform, this function will execute. So this function is console.log magical button will clicked. So let's see how this is. So if I see, here we have this button in the console. If I click this button, the magical button is clicked, will is printing. You can see. I hope you are getting this. Let's move to next. So expanding our spell book with event listeners to harness the magic of events with employ the ancient art of our event listener. This incantation allows us to listen of specific events and respond with our own magical code. Let's expand our spellbook with the wisdom of event listeners. So here we have another example. This is very good example. Let's see. I will copy this HTML part and paste in the HTML. So here we have this magic container, which is a parent container. Here we have this heading click event magic, and we have this button magic button as before. So here we have this style for body, for magic container button, and for button hover. So if I see the here we have this script. So if I make this, and from script I will just copy this. So we are using this for clicking event. You can see here we have first, whenever we reload this page, so this will defaulted. So magic button with we are using this click event. Whenever we click, so first we'll console this print, and then alert message will come, abracadabra, you have clicked the magical button. So let's see how this is seen. So here we have this button. You can see this container. Here we have this event magic, and here we have this beautiful button. So if I open in the console, let's do more. So if I click this button in the console, you will see the printing and a alert message. So you can see here we have this alert message and a text printing. Again this alert message. If I reload this, so if I see, I hope you are getting this. This is very interesting. Using events wisely. As we delve into the world of browser event is essential to use them wisely. Choose the right event for the right moment and let your code dance with the rhythm of user interaction. Let's explore this wisdom as we wave our expel with precision. So that concludes the first part of our exploration into the magical world of browser event. If you found this journey intriguing, don't forget to giving this video a thumbs up and share your thought in the comment below. In our next episode, we will continue our adventure diving even deeper into the mysterious of browser event. Until then, may your events be interesting and listener be attentive and happy coding.